Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about how to append some content or data in a file in which some content is already written. For example, I'm having a file here first.txt. Here it is written, subscribe the channel for more content. Now I want to add something more inside this. For that purpose, we use the append method, right? Which is present in our Node.js. So how we can do it? Well, it is very simple and very easy to do. So let's understand that. Now, doing the append work or changing anything inside the file, we use the file system module of the Node.js. So we simply write const fs equals to, no, we will require the fs module, that means the file system module from the Node.js. For that purpose, we will write require bracket fs like this. Can you see? Yeah. So by this doing require method, we had actually imported the file system inside this fs variable. Now we will use it in our project. So we will write fs dot, for appending file we simply write append file like this. Got it? Now simply just put a bracket here, and after putting the bracket we write the name of the file in which we want to append. For that, since we want to append the file or the data inside our first.txt, so we will write first.txt like this. After that, after doing this, we will simply write here the data that we want to append. So let's say that I want to add make and make sure to like the video, right? So this is the content which I want to add. Fine. Now after doing this, I have to write a callback function, right? So for that we will write function bracket err. Err is a parameter. Now inside of this we will simply write that if there is an error, that is err, in that particular case just write console dot error bracket err, else you just do what, console dot log, and inside of this you write that append successfully, right? Like this. I hope you understood the concept till now, right? So let's go and see that how it is working or not. But before that, make sure that you save your file by just clicking Control plus S, right? It is very important that you save the first file first. So Control plus S. Now going to the terminal, and we will write node. First you need to write the node here, right? And then the name of the file in which you had written your code, that is script.js, right? So let's enter, and you can see append is successful. Now let's see that our file got appended or not. So it is first.txt. Let's go on it, and you can see subscribe the channel for more content. This was the already present, and make sure to like the video. This is what we want to append inside this particular file, and that we did, right? So this is how we actually do the append work in our Node.js with the help of append file method, right? And by importing the fs module. I hope you understood the concept till now. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.